In this video, we're going to show you how to take your MultiFlex holster from Innate Tactical and change it from an outside the waistband carry into an inside the waistband carry. For this, you're going to need your Phillips-head screwdriver along with the hardware kit that came with your holster. We're going to begin by removing the OWB clip on the slide side of your holster. Take your Phillips-head screwdriver, insert it into the screw, turn it to the left to remove this screw. Move your way to the second retention screw, turn to the left to remove this screw. You can then remove your OWB clip with the post on the back side. For your full-size holster, all your posts will be long. For your compact holsters, you'll have two smaller posts that you'll insert into the holes on the back side of your MultiFlex holster and use your two small screws to secure to the post located on the back side of this holster. We'll then move to your OWB clip on the trigger side of your MultiFlex holster. Insert your Phillips-head screwdriver, turn these screws to the left to remove your OWB clip. You'll notice these two screws are longer when you remove them. You'll remove the back side with your two longer posts. Take those out of your OWB clip. You'll take your two posts, insert them into the back side of the OWB clip to keep your washers in place, and you'll then move to the bottom two retention screws located on your holster. Turn them to the left to remove the screw from the post on the back side. Use this shorter screw to attach to your trigger side. Once you have your front screw removed, you'll then take your long screw, run it through your IWB clip, your small rubber washer that came in your hardware pack, and run it through the bottom hole, attaching it to the post on the back side of the MultiFlex holster. Remove the screw at the bottom side on the trigger side of your MultiFlex holster. Take your longer screw that came from your OWB clip on the trigger side, run it through your IWB clip, place your washer on the back side of your IWB clip. You'll then attach your IWB clip to the bottom trigger side of your MultiFlex holster. Take the other small post that came in your hardware packet, insert it into the back side of your MultiFlex holster on the top hole, and attach it securely with the screw using your Phillips-head screwdriver. Once you've adjusted the retention and have your MultiFlex holster securely holding your firearm, you're ready to use the MultiFlex as your everyday carry.